Hi, this is Megan from Lofty View Farm. I am going to share a very special recipe with you guys this year. My mother passed away recently, right before Christmas, and I've had family members and friends reach out to ask about her pie crust. She used to be a baker in our area and has been well known in our family and friend groups for her pie crust. It's just a very flaky crust. And I think pie crust makes the pie. So I'm going to share that with you, and I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season and enjoy. Here's my mom's ingredients list. Take a photo if you need to. I'm going to start out by dicing the butter. This is unsalted butter. And you want to make sure it's really cold. And it's 2 sticks of butter. And my mom always used high quality butter. So my mom swore by King Arthur flour. So if you're from like northern New England, or I'm not sure if it's sold in the South, but it's made in Vermont. Combine 2.5 cups of flour with a chilled 2 sticks of butter diced. You can see the size squares. Dice. So I'm gonna put this in here. Unsalted, high quality. And then I just turn it on until it starts kind of making a crumb. Shut it off for a second. So it's kind of a crumb. And now I'm going to add a dash of just normal vinegar into this water, this ice water right here. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then a little pinch of salt. And then I just added vinegar, a dash of vinegar to this water, and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Sometimes it takes a little bit more. We're just waiting until it kind of forms into a ball. Sometimes it takes a little bit more. And you don't want to overwork it. And that looks perfect. So this is what it should look like, and you don't want to overwork it. See how it can form into a ball? You want it to look like that. And so I'm going to take this out. And I'm going to, this should make about 2 crusts. So I'm going to press it into, and if you overwork it, it doesn't make a very nice crust. But I just have these plastic bags. I'm going to put one of them in this. You kind of usually form, we're going to form a ball, or not a ball, like a flat disc. And I'm going to take the rest of this one. This actually looks like I'm making pie crust. And here is another one. It's actually looking like this recipe is going to make 3 doughs. So we will make 3 doughs out of this. So I'm going to just put these in my refrigerator and let them chill for an hour. And then I can roll them out. Thank you guys. My mom showed her love with baking and cooking for our family and friends, and I hope that you can find some joy in her recipes. I have some of her recipe books with me, and it's been emotional to go through them, but I've been really enjoying seeing all my family and my childhood recipes that she used to cook for us. So I hope you enjoy this too. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day. Please like my videos and please subscribe if you enjoy my content. Thank you. Bye.